Hey guys, you're watching the Certified Horse Show. I'm here working on my friend's Kubota SVL75-2, 100 hours on it, like a $120,000 machine, something like that. And it has bent its own quick attach handle open and close cylinder. It's bent it. We got a brand new one over there, $900 out of pocket. It wrecked this cylinder by bending the rod because this pin had been jamming up. So if you get grit in that pin to where you can't get that bucket off, I was beating the crap out of this thing and I couldn't get it to drive in or out. And what worked was I drove outside, I raised the bucket and curled it all the way, and I blasted it with a garden hose, and that water took out the grit enough that I could beat the thing free. And now I've got it. I mean, this is how easy it needs to be, okay? You need to stay on top of greasing these things, and you need to stay on top of power washing them, because the crapola, particularly fine gravels from the bucket, it's going to want to fall down in there. It's going to want to get into your grease and then get worked down into your pin. So that's a $900 cylinder. You don't want to be buying another one. I mean, it's easy to change, but it ain't easy to pay for. So stay on top of those pins. Okay, so now it's time to take the hoses off that cylinder, put them on that one. Oh, we got her done. Boop.